Once upon a time, stars were created after the Big Bang. And with the creation of stars, they were formed galaxies. In a lonely galaxy called the Milky Way, there was a solar system guarded by the sun. In this solar system, there was a planet called Earth. This planet has water, trees, and life. After billions of years, humans were born. They invented a lot of stuff, like for example, the mobile phone. All of these inventions have an important piece called the battery. But many scientists saw a big problem. The temperature was affecting the battery. But wait a second, is this real? So today I'm gonna find out. Let's go! So first up we need to charge our battery and unplug it. Then we need our voltmeter to set it on DC. And now we place the voltmeter terminals in the battery and we see how many volts it has. As we can see, it has 8.54 volts. But we're gonna do this project with my creation called the R2-rc 0.1 edition, and this thing looks like something out of this world. This thing is equipped with a 4K resolution camera. And also has a strange thing where you can store stuff. And also the lights. Okay, back to the video. We connect the battery into R2-rc and get ready to play outside. And now we play. "15 minutes later. Now we get the battery out and see how many volts it has. As we can see, it has 7.84 volts. So we charge and unplug the battery again. This time it has 8.84 volts. We put our battery on a bag in the fridge. We get the battery from the fridge. We go and play outside for 50 minutes. Same process, we take the battery out and see how many volts the battery has. As we can see, this one has 7.77 volts, even though it had more volts at the beginning. So as we saw, when we charged the battery at 8.54 volts and played for 50 minutes outside, we were left with 7.84 volts. But when we charged the battery at 8.84 volts and left it on the fridge to have it cold and played the same amount of time outside, we saw it had only 7.73 volts. So as we see, 7.84 volts is bigger than 7.73 volts. In conclusion, the temperature affects the battery because the chemical reaction slows down when there's cold temperature, resulting in a decrease in the battery's capacity to end its energy faster. And now a journey towards the end of the video. Let's go! Thanks for watching, and see you in another video. Goodbye!